Alright guys, is every catching up with our lesson? Well, I guess for intermediate players, there is no problem. But for beginners, I think you have to practice as many songs a day as you can than concentrating on one song. Just to develop the muscle memory in your fingers. Okay, practice as many as you can, but don't concentrate on one song. As beginners, your fingers will only get stiff. Okay, just develop first your muscle memory. Okay, this one, aside from the intro, is picking, strumming, so it is an easier one. Okay, so Something Stupid by Michael Buble. Okay, now we go back to our intro. Second string, 6th fret, 2 times. First string, and then second string, 6th fret, 2 times, and then first string, 5th fret, 6th fret, slide to 8, 5th fret, slide to 8, and then pick 8, and then back to 6th fret on first string, back to 5th, hammer and pull off. So okay, so that's how many times? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, hammer, 5, 6, pull up and hammer, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, the last is 8 fret on second string. Now the second part is 8, 6, 5, 6, 5, 8, 6, 5. Okay. Wow. 8, 6, 5, 6, 5, 8, 6, 5, and then, okay, one more time, and then 5th on the third string, 5th fret on the third string, hammer on the 7th, and then 5th fret on the second string. Okay, that's our second part. Now the third, 5th fret on first string, pick, hammer on 8, and then 6th fret, 5th, 6, pull off, and then 8 on the second string, 6 on the second string, 5th on the third string, 3rd on the third string, 2nd on the third string, and then F. Open, and then F. Open on the 3rd fret, and then F. Okay, one more time. 6 two times, 5, fifth, 6, slide to 8, 8, 6, fifth, pull open to 6, 8 on second string, okay, and then 8, 5, and then fifth fret on third string, hammer on the seventh, and then fifth fret on the third string, and then the last one is fifth on the first fret, hammer on the eighth, and then 6, fifth, 6, pull off to fifth, and then 8 on the second string, 6 on the second string, fifth on the third string, third on the third string, second on the third string, open on the third string, and then okay. Now we go to our verse 1. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down. Actually, you can use picking, but we'll make it an easy version. But those who wants to use picking, bass plus first and second string, third, back to first and second string without the bass, and then third. But today we use a strumming, okay? For intermediate players, you can use. Okay. Strumming pattern is down, down, up, down. Okay, I play it first. I know it's not a lie until you say you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace, I know that there's a chance you won't be living with me. Then afterwards we drop into a quiet little place and have a drink or two. And then I'll go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. Okay, that's our first verse. So strumming is down, down, up, down. Now the chords are F, F6, F major 7, back to F, G minor 7, C7, G minor 7, C7, and then back to G minor 7, C7, and then G, one more, back to G minor 7, C7, and then one more time, G major 7, so that's 4 times, G major, 1, 2, 4 times, G major 7, and then C7, that's 4 times, and then F major 7, F6, you can, and then F, F6, so F7, C minor, F7, C minor, F major 7, B flat major 7, B flat 6, and then one more time, B flat major 7, B flat 6, and then back G minor 7, C7, and then same stupid, C7, and then F sustained, and then F, F major 7, F6, so many. Okay, now I'll just put the lyrics on the chords on the subtitles. Okay, now let's go to our second verse. The last, I played the last line of first verse by saying something stupid like I love you. I can see it in your eyes that you despise the simple lies you heard the night before. And though it's just a line you for me that never heard you right before. Okay, the chords are F, C, F7, back to C minor 7, and then B flat major 7, B flat 6, B major 7, B, and then G, D minor 7, G, and D minor 7, and then C sustained, and then C, and then this one is C sustained 4, and then C, and then C sustained 2, and then back to C. So never seems so right before. Okay, now we got our last verse, and another time for me never seems so right before. Now we go to our last verse. I practice every day to find some clever lines to say to make the meaning come true. But then I'll think I'll wait until the end, played another long review. The time is right, your future feels my head is dust. Let's ride it out the night so blue. And then I'll go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. Okay, this is our last verse. Now we go to our instrumental. So just remember the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down. Okay, I'll repeat the last line of third verse, and then I'll go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. Instrumental, this one instrumental. La 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 la. The time is right, your fusion fills my head as dusk is red and all the night so blue. And then I'll go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. 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 Okay, that's it. So our last line is the time is right, your future fills my head as dusk go red and all the night so blue. And then I'll go and start it all by saying something stupid like I love. F sustained 4, and then F, and then F6. I love you. I love you. 4 times, and then I love you, only voicing. Okay, that's it guys. This is an easy one. Now our next will be the Beatles. I'm sure there's a lot of you out there are fans of Beatles. Okay, I'll play some parts, the intro. This is Michelle. 1, 2. Okay, that's it guys. Make a request. One Beatles song. Or any song you want. So that I know what you guys kind of song you want. Okay? So that's it. Please leave a comment, share, like, and those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Okay.